interactive content H5P. Search here H5P, then you will get this result. Click install now. Click activate. Plugin is activated. In left side of dashboard you are seeing H5P content, right? Go to add new. To be able to start creating interactive content, you must first install at least one content type. I consent, give me the hub. Now you are seeing the available contents, right? Interactive video, course presentation, multiple choice, quiz, fill in the blanks, drag the words. You are getting bunch of contents here, right? At first let's see about this one, right? Quiz question set. Click get, click install. Click use. You are seeing here title for this, just quiz content check. You can add the background if you want, right? Progress indicator, you can change it to textual or dots. Passing percentage, let's make it 75. Now here are questions, right? Question number 1, question type, multiple choice. You can place a title here. Now question, what is 100 plus 100, right? Go down and give the answer option here. 300, it is not correct, right? This is wrong, so we are not ticking it. Next one, 200, this is correct, just tick it and add option, another option. We want 4 options here, right? 250, another one, 150, right? It is fine. Now we can assign the range here, score range, feedback for defined score range. Fill in the feedback, score 0% to add range, right? 0% to 50%. Try harder, 51 to 100%, 51 to 80%, just fine, 81 to 100%. Cool, right? Now go at the top. You are seeing in the right side here, create, just click it. Now the question is created, right? Only one question. You are seeing here shortcode. You can copy this or go to pages or post where you want to add that shortcode. I'll go with test page, just click it. Paste your shortcode here, save it. Now let's view the page. You are seeing the question here. At first let's try with 300, check, it is wrong, show solution, and it is showing the solution is 200, right? Now let's choose correct answer, check, it is good, fine, result is 100%, right? Now let's go back. Let's add another question to the same quiz, right? All H5P content, click edit here. Now let's add another question, question number 2. Just click this one. Question number 2 is multiple choice. Now type the question, right? Full form of OS. In terms of computer text on the system operating system. This is correct, right? Just tick it, add option, offside. Okay, then just 3 options. Go up, update. Now let's reload this page. We replace shortcode, right? Now this is 200, and you can do next from here. Now just do next, full form of OS in terms of computer, operating system, and finish it, right? So in this way you can create a quiz with a multiple choice in H5P content. Stay tuned for another tutorial. Thank you very much.